नमस्ते दोस्तों। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, I heartily welcome to you in PSGUP Mandal's Arts, Science and Commerce Junior College, Shada. Let me first introduce myself, Professor JP Chaudhary from PSGUP Mandal's Arts, Science and Commerce Junior College from Shada. Dear student, I will teach you chemistry subject in 11th science. Dear student, due to corona, all school and college are shut down. So all teacher and professor try to learn by online method like Zoom app, YouTube or Google Meet and so on. So dear student, we are going to our chemistry syllabus. In 11th science, having 16 chapter, in which there are two sections. First section from chapter 1 to 8 and second section from chapter 9 to 16. In which 16th chapter I will teach to you 8 chapter randomly and remaining 8 chapter by another teacher. So dear student, we are going to learn or overlook general chemistry. So what is chemistry and why it is so important to study chemistry? We need to know it's important because chemistry is a part of daily lifestyle, and more you know about subject, the more interested you become. So let's start with its basic definition written in every book. That is, chemistry is the study of matter and the changes it undergoes. It means study of matter and its properties. Properties, it means ki physical properties and chemical properties. But we need to know what is matter. Everything you see around yourself is matter, like chair, table and so more. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. It can be pure or a mixture. We take two examples how chemistry in a daily life is important. First example, you wake up in morning and start your day with toothpaste. It is a chemical compound. Second one is, before going to bed, you burn coil, mosquito coil. At home, releases chemical to keep mosquito far from use. So these two example shows your day start as well as end with chemistry. Next, in which figure we see chemistry is in middle position. So chemistry is in middle position, that's why chemistry called as central science. So why called as central science? Because chemistry is essential for development of subject like physics, biology, geology, engineering, environment science and many other subjects. All those subjects chemistry needs. Therefore, chemistry is called as central science. Next, chemistry having so many types or so many branches, in which we have to see on screen 5 branches. First one is physical chemistry, second one is inorganic chemistry, third one is organic chemistry, fourth one is analytical chemistry, and last one is biochemistry. In physical chemistry, the branch of chemical chemistry that deals with the structure of matter, the energy changes, and the theories, law and principle that explain the transformation of matter from one form to another form. It means in which we have to study behavior of matter. Second, inorganic chemistry. This is the branch of chemistry that deals with chemistry of elements other than carbon of their compound. It means कि in which inorganic chemistry we study without carbon. Third one is organic chemistry. This is the branch of chemistry that deals with the reaction of the compound of carbon. It means organic chemistry involve carbon element. Fourth one is analytical chemistry. This is the branch of chemistry dealing with the separation, identification, and quantitative determination of composition of different substance. It means कि by using analytical chemistry, we separate mixture of chemicals, we identify which is it means कि we identify which or what is compound, and quantitative it means कि quantity of compound. Fourth one is biochemistry. This is the chemistry of substance consisting of living organism. It means कि biology plus chemistry, biochemistry, living organism as well as chemistry by two subject, biology and chemistry, called as biochemistry. Here overlook in short form what is organic chemistry and what is biochemistry. Organic chemistry, carbon containing compound. Inorganic chemistry, material that don't have carbon. Analytical chemistry, it means कि analyze, we have to analyze, it means कि we have to check how compound, how many compound or how percentage present in material. Physical chemistry, it means the behavior of material. It means कि बिहेवियर, मैटर का जो बिहेवियर है वो हम वहाँ पर फाइंड आउट करेंगे. फिफ्थ वन इज बायोकेमिस्ट्री, द केमिस्ट्री ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. So dear student, in next lecture, it is the only introductory lecture, okay, in which we have to study definition of chemistry, how it is important in your daily life. Then we have to take 2 example. Then we have to see the branches of chemistry. Then next lecture we start from unit number 14, basic principle of organic chemistry. Goodbye, take care.